Gimme. Even though you destroyed one of my toys, you still like the remains. What was that, Blizzard? Nah. Go get some water. Thank you. Blizzard, come. Come, Blizzard. Give me paw. That's a good boy. High five. That is not you supposed to high five. High five, Blizzard. No. No. High five. High five. High five. There we go. One more time. High five. There we go. That's a good boy. All right. Speak, Blizzard. Speak. Speak, Blizzard. Speak. Speak. Speak, Blizzard. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Speak, Blizzard. Speak, Blizzard. Blizzard. You want to speak today? You want a belly rub? And that's how you tire up a husky. Almost.